Jade.
You guys are magnets to me.
Come on, kiss her. I got it. Wait, I wasn't recording it.
It doesn't matter. Okay, Gwen's turn.
Kissing me's not that bad.
Go.
Girl, please.
Assault. Okay, if do it. If it lands over here, you have to stick your tongue out when the person puts salt on it. They do
I can't do that. I can't do
No, you
that.
just do one thing like that.
Okay, we're wasting time.
Okay, go.
Doing Buddy's food.
Go.
Okay, I got this.
Why do you like sauce?
Let me spin it this way.
Oh, that's me. Is that me?
Okay, kiss her.
Sisterly kiss.
If you use your tongue, just wait.
Okay, go, Jasper.
Come on, get salt.
Kiss yourself.
Jasper, your turn.
I'm not doing the salt thing. That's disgusting.
See, you
Kiss
Cassie.
Cassie. Lean over the table and kiss Cassie, or Cassie will come to
I'm
you.
gonna come to you. What?
Cassie, you're so easy. Just get it over with.
Dude, Jasper,
Okay.
you would. Dog.
I thought it was gonna be me. I was gonna be real excited. Let's just move it.
Come
All
on,
right,
Jay.
Cora. Salt.
Oh!
No,
We didn't mean to take out the salt.
That.
Just to get, it'll be real quick.
No, I can't.